The recent surge in Canadian visitor visas has caught many by surprise, with even applicants from 2 years ago being called to collect their visas. What most people don't realize is Canada's little-known policy: visitors can easily convert their visa to a work permit. This policy remains in effect until February 28, 2025. However, here's the catch: out of every 10 applicants seeking to transition from a visitor visa to a work permit, only one succeeds. Lack of information and psychological unpreparedness are common pitfalls. Many find that what they've been taught about life in Canada differs greatly from reality. This video serves as the ultimate guide on smoothly transitioning from a visitor visa to a work permit. For those who typically stop watching videos halfway, it's time to pay attention. Investing time in valuable knowledge is key to success. Share this video with anyone you know who holds or is applying for a Canadian visa. It could save them both money and time in the long run. The primary hurdle in transitioning from a visitor visa to a work permit is securing employment. Without a job offer, obtaining a work permit becomes nearly impossible. So, how do you land a job in Canada? Currently, the most accessible job market in Canada is in truck driving. If you're considering a move to Canada within the next 6 weeks, it's time to enroll in a truck driving course in your home country. With prior driving experience, obtaining a Canadian work permit becomes a straightforward process. Canada stands out as one of the most immigrant-friendly countries. Unlike many other nations, Canada allows visitors to engage in activities like taking driving lessons during their stay. Additionally, visitors can extend their stay for up to 6 months, providing ample time to explore employment opportunities. This flexibility sets Canada apart from countries with stricter immigration policies. Truck driving isn't the only pathway to a work permit, though it's the most accessible for many. If truck driving isn't your career path, don't worry. By the end of this video, I'll share tips on how to search for jobs and highlight the 4 provinces with the easiest pathways to permanent residency, a valuable bonus for those aspiring to live and work in Canada. However, before obtaining your work permit, there's a crucial step: the Labour Market Impact Assessment, LMI. Employers must demonstrate that no Canadian citizens or permanent residents are available for the job and pay a fee to the government. This process can be daunting, but with determination and guidance, it's achievable. It's essential to recognize that adapting to Canadian culture and communication norms may pose challenges initially, even for English speakers. Understanding the slang and language nuances takes time, but with persistence, integration becomes smoother. This video aims to demystify the process of transitioning from a visitor visa to a work permit in Canada. If you find this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with anyone considering a move to Canada. Stay tuned till the end for comprehensive job search tips and insights into provincial pathways to permanent residency. Alright, let's delve into a crucial aspect: the attraction for employers to hire locals. Naturally, the preference lies in hiring locals. However, Canada faces significant job shortages, prompting the government to enact policies addressing this issue by 2025. With numerous job vacancies unfilled, employers are compelled to consider foreign applicants who require LMI-approved jobs for work permit applications. This begs the question: why should an employer choose you over other candidates? Drawing from wisdom found in Sun Tzu's The Art of War, victory is often determined long before battles commence. This underscores the importance of psychological readiness. It's essential to shed preconceived notions, especially for individuals transitioning from sectors like banking in their home countries to Canada. Embrace radical openness and flexibility. Be willing to explore unconventional opportunities, as these might lead to the job that secures your LMI and work permit. Maintain a focus on the bigger picture. In Canada, after 2 years of residency and work, individuals can apply for permanent residency. Remarkably, certain regions, like British Columbia and Northern Ontario, offer accelerated pathways, allowing for permanent residency applications after just 1 year. Consider a story of a Nigerian professor who attended a conference in British Columbia and decided to stay in Canada. Determined and unwavering, he relentlessly pursued job opportunities until he succeeded. Such resilience pays off. In certain provinces, like Ontario, the demand for skilled professionals is exceptionally high, with employers offering lucrative salaries to fill positions. When crafting your CV and searching for jobs, leverage dedicated job search platforms tailored for the Canadian market. Target sectors facing acute shortages, like nursing homes offering competitive salaries to attract talent. In essence, success in Canada hinges on adaptability, perseverance, and strategic thinking. Embrace the journey with an open mind, and the opportunities awaiting you will be plentiful. The simplest way to find LMI-approved jobs is to head over to Google and type in LMI-approved jobs. You'll find a plethora of job listings. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll guide you through the process of finding these jobs and even showcase a few examples. Several reputable job search platforms are at your disposal, such as JobBank, CareerBuilder, Monster, Google for Jobs, Indeed, LinkedIn, and Simply Hired. These websites are excellent resources for job seekers in Canada. Now that you're in Canada and equipped with the knowledge from this video, it's time to start your job search. If becoming a truck driver isn't your path, utilize these platforms to explore other job opportunities. Additionally, there's a helpful tool called My Perfect Resume, a free service that allows you to tailor your resume to Canadian standards. When applying for jobs, carefully review the job descriptions and responsibilities. Highlight your strengths and transferable skills on the first page of your CV. Employers appreciate candidates who demonstrate problem-solving abilities, independence, and politeness. After applying for a few jobs, don't hesitate to follow up with the hiring manager or human resources department. A courteous inquiry about the status of your application shows initiative and determination. Remember to search specifically for LMI-approved jobs, as this designation is crucial for obtaining a work permit. Once you've secured a job, you'll need to pay a $155 Canadian fee for your work permit. However, unlike in the past, there's no need for flagpole procedures when exiting and re-entering Canada. Keep in mind that your work permit will be tied to a single employer, but if you have a spouse, they can obtain an open work permit, allowing them to work for various employers. Canada offers exceptional healthcare services, contributing to a high average life expectancy. If you found value in this information, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on various social media platforms to stay informed, as credible information is key to a successful migration journey. So, you've followed the steps, secured a job, obtained your work permit, fantastic. But what if despite your efforts, time is slipping away, and you find yourself with only a month or two left out of your 6-month stay? One option you might consider is enrolling in a private college. Private colleges offer admission readily, although they may not provide a direct pathway to a work permit. However, attending a private college can buy you some time to extend your stay in Canada. Should you choose the school route, you can transition to a public college later, which often does offer a pathway to a work permit. Think of it as a temporary solution to give you more time, with the possibility of switching to a more advantageous option later on. Now, let's say you're in a tight spot financially, and time is running out. If returning to your home country means facing persecution due to your beliefs, political views, or other reasons, Canada may offer you asylum. As a signatory to the United Nations Convention on the Protection of Refugees, Canada is obligated by law to consider your asylum application, providing another avenue for your situation. To sum up, let's quickly recap the key points. Truck driver path. Starting as a truck driver offers the quickest route to obtaining your Canadian work permit. Consider taking truck driving lessons if you're outside Canada or already in the country. Job search platforms. Utilize Canadian job search platforms such as JobBank, CareerBuilder, Monster, Google for Jobs, Indeed, LinkedIn, and Simply Hired. Always search specifically for LMI-approved jobs to maximize your chances. CV optimization. Prioritize optimizing your CV before applying for jobs. Tailor it to match the job descriptions and responsibilities, emphasizing your transferable skills. Follow up. Don't hesitate to follow up on your job applications with a polite phone call or email. It shows initiative and determination, qualities that Canadian employers appreciate. Provincial opportunities: certain provinces, like Ontario and British Columbia, offer better prospects for obtaining permanent residency. Target areas with high demand for your skill set, such as healthcare workers in British Columbia. Remember, flexibility and persistence are key on your migration journey. By staying informed and proactive, you're setting yourself up for success in Canada. It's no secret that Canada is actively issuing visitor visas, even extending the courtesy to those who applied years ago. What many aren't aware of is Canada's policy allowing visitors to transition to work permits, a policy set to remain in place until February 28, 2025. However, the path from visitor visa to work permit isn't guaranteed, with only 1 out of 10 applicants successfully making the transition. Lack of information and unpreparedness are common barriers, often stemming from misconceptions about life in Canada. This video serves as a comprehensive guide to navigating this transition smoothly. For those hesitant to watch till the end, understand that investing time in gaining knowledge is essential for success. If you or someone you know is considering a move to Canada, whether already holding a Canadian visa or in the process of applying, this video is invaluable. But securing a work permit isn't solely about watching a video, it requires strategic planning. While British Columbia is often touted as a prime destination, it's vital to explore other provinces too. The Atlantic provinces, like Prince Edward Island and New Brunswick, are currently experiencing a surge in demand for workers. However, potential migrants should tread cautiously, ensuring full-time employment contracts to avoid seasonal job uncertainty. Alberta's rural areas also offer promising job opportunities, especially in the tech sector through programs like the Tech Pilots program. But amidst the plethora of job listings, caution is advised against scams. If someone asks for payment or suspiciously promises an easy route to a work permit, proceed with caution. To aid in the job search, various platforms like JobBank, CareerBuilder, and LinkedIn offer extensive listings. Remember to tailor your CV to Canadian standards using tools like My Perfect Resume. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, seeking asylum due to persecution in your home country is a viable option. In summary, success in transitioning from a visitor visa to a work permit in Canada hinges on informed decision-making and strategic planning. By investing time and effort in research and utilizing the resources available, you can turn your migration dreams into reality. Don't forget to share this video with anyone embarking on their Canadian journey. It might just save them time, money, and a lot of headaches.
I'm on a journey, attention in my side, traveling solo.